English phrases explained. Connecting bus. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in travel and transportation. Connecting bus. This phrase might seem simple, but it's crucial in navigating public transport systems, especially if you're traveling in a new city or country. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. The term, connecting bus, refers to a bus that you take after alighting from another bus, train, or any form of transport, in order to continue your journey to your final destination. It's like a link in a chain. You use multiple services, one after the other, to reach where you want to go. Imagine you are traveling from point A to point C, but there's no direct bus. You take a bus from point A to point B, and then a connecting bus from point B to point C. It's essential in scenarios where no direct routes are available. Connecting buses play a vital role in public transportation. They increase accessibility. By connecting different routes, they make more destinations reachable. Save time. Often, they're faster than waiting for a direct service. Offer flexibility. You can choose from multiple routes to get to your destination. Understanding this term is especially important for travelers and those new to a city. It helps in planning your journey and ensuring you reach your destination without confusion. Check the timetable. Always look at the schedule to know when your connecting bus arrives. Ask for assistance. Don't hesitate to ask the bus driver or station staff if you're unsure about your connection. Use apps and maps. Many cities have apps that help you plan your journey with connecting buses. Connecting bus is more than just a phrase. It's a key part of navigating public transportation effectively. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience and confidence in using English in practical scenarios. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning and safe travels.